Okay. Today we're gonna be putting together the more accurate, shorter aspect resolution. So, if we open up a sprite here, and I had a 12-hour workday today, so I am fried. So today's going to be real short. But we should be able to get the right aspect ratio, and then maybe replace our platforms and line them up, and then just call it a night. So, and you know what? There was... Oh god dang it. Let me see what file it was. This one? Nope. This one. Okay. So we need to open this. So we need to figure out what the real width is of our game. So if we open up, what our current background is, there's the background reference we scaled, but this is incorrect because of the aspect ratio, but we will ignore that because we will just put this one over it. So we need I want to say it's something like that. And then we can place it. Yeah, see the ratio, how far the ratio's off. If we line it up with the top left here, yeah, we can see how much shorter it needs to be. Okay. So this is what we need to be our reference. Where do we place this? Okay. Edit, select inverse. How do we do that? Select inverse. Okay. So I don't know how many pixels this is. We can actually probably just figure it out here. Sprite gives us little values here. If this is 0, 0, top down is 240, and over is up until about 260. So let's call it 240 by 260. So let's go back to our game here. 240 by 260. So here, okay. What we want is to go into our constants, yeah. And 240, 240's height, 260 is what we really want. That should be the right dimensions. But actually, I kind of like that. Huh. 240 by 260. Why are we getting the pillar boxes though? Yeah, I'm not sure why we're getting the pillar box. Okay, well, yeah, why are we getting the... Oh, you know what? I know why we're getting it. Right here, we did this by times 3. What? Hold on. Our height, or our window, is 4 times the size. So 260 for our width times 4 would be a 1040. Oopsie. 1040 for our new window. $10.40. Now we should have the proper square. Nice. Nice. Okay. Now we want, we actually need to re-export our A-Sprite. We need to re-export this. We need to change the canvas size. Where's the canvas size? Well, we can do it right here. We need a 260 by 240. So 260 by 240. And this will make it so that we don't have to stretch horizontally. Oh, come on. Oh, okay. Okay, nice. So this will be our new reference image. Perfect. That'll be our new reference image. So we'll save this as a background ref. This is our proper background ref. We'll overwrite it. And then we should be rendering it in our play state here. Let's see, where is... we did this yesterday. Where is background ref? Oh God. Right there. Oops. This is what we want. Okay. So we're rendering at a different transparency this background reference so that we can get the placement for the platforms and everything. Now it's hard for me to see the original and the new, so when we go to here, we can do this. We can do this up to 220, and this is down to 100. And now we should get a bigger range so we can see where, see, that's the reference. So let's start with our platform 1. Looks like it needs to be up 4 pixels on the platform 1 and 1L. So we go through platform 1 and 1L, we will make this less by 4. So it should be 67. Okay, platform 1, maybe 1 pixel too high. Yeah, 1 pixel too high, maybe. So 68. Oh my God. Okay. Cool. Platform 1L needs to go left, maybe 5 pixels. So we will bring it left. Platform 1L will bring it left, maybe another 5 pixels. Cool. Okay, now we're going for platform 2. It looks like we need to be up 1, left 5, and then shrunk by like 20. So up 1, left about 5, and then shrunk by about 20. So this should be about 90. Let's see how that looks. Pretty damn close. There's the original reference photo, and then when it fades, you'll see ours, which needs to be a little wider. A couple pixels wider, but it looks pretty good. Maybe left 1. And then a couple pixels wider, so maybe 94. Let's see. Oh, that looks pretty good. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, so the top platforms are looking good. Let's move on to our platform 3, which is this small one right here. And it looks like it needs to be left. Actually, it's quite a bit different. Because there's the reference. Ours, we need to move the platform spawn point. Ooh. Well, yeah. This one's gonna be weird. Let's just move it up and to the left and see how that's looking. So maybe we go up 4 pixels, so 17 maybe. And then left a couple pixels, 12. And then needs to be down and to the left still, so maybe we'll do 120 and then 190. It's looking pretty good. Yeah, looking pretty good. It's spot on the y-axis. We just need to shrink it. Shrink it by like 8 pixels or something. So this would be a 53. It's looking pretty good. It's just looking like the left side isn't rendering right. Yeah, it's looking like the left side isn't rendering right. Let me turn off turn off the reference. Right here. Yeah, see how our left side isn't... Hey, where's our platform? Where's our platform 1? Where'd our platform 1 go? I thought this would be easy. See, our platform 1 should be on the right side there, but we're actually not rendering it, so it needs to scoot over to the left. Who knows how much? Let's just do 200 and see what that looks like. There it is. It needs to be right, maybe 20 pixels. Maybe 10 more pixels. Okay. Maybe 3 more pixels. Okay. That's looking there. Now, what is with our platform 3? We need to be smaller. No. See, it's drawing only the left side flat. So how do we fix that? Doesn't seem to me... You know what? I think I messed up. Platform 3, well, let me think. 1L, 2, 3. No, yeah, that should be it. It's just rendering the left side flat for some reason. Now, if we take a look at our platform instantiations, our platform class, we actually do a tricky bit of thing here where we kind of... We actually draw a left half and a right half. So something's happening where the right half is actually getting... The right half is actually overriding the left half once we draw it. So it has to do with the width. It has to do with the width. So if on platform 3 we say a width instead of 53, let's just say 20. Let me just see what that looks like. See, why is it so long? A width of 20, you would think it would be a lot shorter than that. Why? See, why would giving it a 0 width even render anything? That's what I don't get. But let's give it maybe 60 this time. I can't tell if it's rendering it flat or not. Let me see. We go to our background image. We turn this off. Okay, it's there. That's actually there. We need it to be smaller though. We need it not that long. So let's see. Platform 3. What if we do this 50 long instead? Then it cuts it off. Yeah, okay. I think I know why it's doing this, but it's because our right half. Why isn't our right half logic cutting that half though? We're setting our right half to be x with width. We should have this as divided by 2, I think. Still. Self.width minus the platform right get width. That's not right. Jacked. So yeah, we render a left side. So if we just take off the drawing the right side, it should kind of illustrate, yes, how the left half of the platform is totally fine, but we need to continue to draw the right half. And in order to do that, we draw. This is confusing to me. So we've got a right side, but we actually need to set the viewport. See? We're setting the viewport of our right half. So we're drawing the platform right texture. Oy. I can't quite figure this out right now. What is our platform offset? What is our platform offset? Five. Why 5? What does platform offset 10 give us? Back to platform. What does platform offset of 1 give us? Back to platform. Okay. Why do we need the platform offset? X, Y. No. So what if our X plus our width minus our get width plus our platform offset? Why? What if we draw? So like the idea is our platform left starts at our X. And we draw it. We draw the left half. Then the right half is going to start at our X. Wait, how do we do this? we need to draw the right half, so we go to, we're actually drawing it backwards, like we're going to the end of the platform and then drawing it backwards. So that's what's confusing about it. But if our x, our x needs to be the end of the platform, so it's our x plus the platform width. But how do we draw it? We draw it. Yeah, we draw. Oh, what? Okay, I think we. Because what's confusing is we have the right side, but Lua draws things from the top left. So if we're trying to draw only the right side of a sprite, we still need to draw the end of it. So what we're actually saying is, hey, our x needs to be halfway of whatever our self x plus half of our width is. That's where we need to start drawing, but we need to start drawing. See, I don't know how to explain that. Because if we, I think we just need to set a smaller viewport. Because this whole problem is coming about where I actually just drew a left side of a platform and a right side of a platform at a given length. And I'm kind of draw left half and right half and sandwich them together so I didn't have to make, 5 different platform assets. We could technically get away with this if we just made the art with the correct space, which probably would have been easier. And then we would just have to, the thing is, our platforms themselves need the colliding bounding boxes, so we know we're exactly there. So it made sense I did it like this, but the way in which I went about rendering both halves isn't quite working. So the viewport is just wrong. What if we set... I don't get it. I don't get it. Yeah, the problem is, see, and our vultures can go through that point. So what if... And if we don't draw the right half, it just cuts off. Yeah, it just cuts off, doesn't finish the right half. So how do we only draw partial of the right half? We need to set this viewport differently. Our width would need to be a get width. What if we do the divide by 2 here? Did we already try this? Shit. We're still not drawing the right half. We're not drawing the right half. Okay, that draws the right half, but still messed up. I'm gonna have to figure this out tomorrow. The collision is fine, it's just that we're drawing the right half too far. So yeah, it's tricky. It's a cool way we envision doing that. We just didn't do it quite right. Because the platform really starts here, and then it draws the first half, the left half, and then stops halfway, and then it draws the right half, but the right half viewport isn't cutting off. So maybe we could cheese it. Maybe we can cheese it and say, if our self-name is platform whatever, go ahead and change our viewport. But then I'm not exactly getting the viewport we need right now. I'm not gonna be able to figure this out tonight. I'm exhausted, but we've got a start of it. We've got the better resolution. We've got the, the reference photo in place. We've got the proper aspect ratio and resolution. It'd be kind of fun to shrink this down a little bit and put it in like an arcade cabinet art, and then have the buttons control a little joystick on screen and buttons, so that you're kind of playing on the arcade game, and that way we can use a little bit more of the screen real estate, because this isn't quite, I mean, we could do full screen. I don't know. We get to decide what we want to do, but we're still chugging along. Tomorrow we're going to be hopefully fixing that render bug for the platform, the dynamic platform rendering, which we threw together ourselves without any tutorial or know-how. So that's why it's broken when we try to scale it, but it was working. Just with a shorter platform, it didn't work. So we have to figure something else out. Cool. We get pushed it. I'll see you guys tomorrow for hopefully some adaptive rendering goodness. I'm gonna have to look at the documentation for the set viewport. But if we can do that, and we can kind of test it and get the right side working, we can either fix it for all of them or cheese it just for the one platform that's small enough that the code currently isn't working. We can just say, hey, by the way, if we're platform 3, if self-name is equal to platform 3, set viewport appropriately to the shorter one. Otherwise, just do the other ones how you've been doing it, because they've been working. So we'll figure something out.